How to make a boy in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to open up the game, then select earth, and on earth you need to put water, and after that you should be able to get plant. After that you need to bring fire on board, and after that bring wind on top of it, and it will create smoke. Now bring water on smoke and it will bring frog for you. After that bring plant on fog, and this way you would create mushroom. Now we need to add mushroom to it on top of mushroom, and we will be able to create giant mushroom. After that you need to bring fog, and it will create smurf for you. After that you need to bring water on board, then add water on top of it, and it will create lake for us. Now we need to add lake on a smurf, and it will give us blue. Now we need to bring earth on board. After that bring another earth on top of it, and we get mountain. After that we need to add lake over here. Let me find lake. Here it is. So add lake on mountain and it will create zod for you. Now add water to it and it will give us whale. Now we need to bring earth on board, and after that bring wind on earth. This will create dust. Now get this dust on whale and it will create sperm. And now we need to add dust on it, and let me find dust, or you can just simply add it, or this way you can create dust and add dust on it and it will create baby. Now we need to add baby on blue and it will create a boy. And this is how you create a boy on Infinite Craft. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.